What if a pocket drone suddenly started shooting like a pro camera and still slipped under the 250-gram rule? Stick around, because the Mini 5 Pro leaks dropping right now could make that exact dream real. Today I'll break down the launch window, the jaw-dropping camera and LiDAR rumors, the 2 battery paths DJI appears to be offering, what's actually in the Fly More combos, and whether the price makes this a must-buy or just hype. The headline here is obvious. Leaks keep pointing to a 1-inch image sensor in a mini-class drone, plus forward LiDAR and upgraded obstacle sensing. Translation: better low-light performance, cleaner 4K footage, and smarter avoidance in sketchy environments, things that used to be trade-offs for small drones. Some leakers even mention 4K at high frame rates and a gimbal that gives more creative angles. All that packed into a mini frame is exactly why the rumor mill went off. Still, remember these are leaks, not specs, but multiple outlets are showing the same bits. Okay, the battery game is wild. Leaked box art and retailer listings show 2 battery families, a standard approximately 2,785 mAh pack that keeps the drone under the 250-gram threshold and promises roughly approximately 36 minutes per flight, and a plus 3,350 mAh variant that stretches to around approximately 52 minutes, but likely nudges the drone over the 250 grams mark. In plain English, you get a travel-friendly build if you choose the lighter battery, or monster endurance if you opt for the Plus pack. That's an elegant freedom versus flight time choice DJI's apparently leaning into. DJI seems to be shipping sensible combos. The Fly More will likely come in 2 flavors, one with the screenless RCN3 phone-tethered, and one with the RC2 smart controller that has an integrated display. The boxes circulating in leaks look packed. 3 batteries in the Fly More, extra props, a filter kit, charger, a snap-on gimbal/prop protector, nice one-piece design, and a carrying case. Also, reports show click-on propellers returning, tiny quality-of-life wins that actually make field repairs less painful. If you want plug-and-play, the RC2 bundle is the one to consider. So, is this the Mini we've been waiting for? If DJI really pulls off a 1-inch sensor and usable LiDAR while preserving a sub-250-gram footprint with the standard battery, this could be a category-defining travel drone. If you value raw flight time, that Plus battery looks delicious, but expect regulatory trade-offs. Price leaks also point to familiar territory. Fly More combo, around €1,129, similar UK pricing, US base kit roughly $750 to $800, which would make this an aggressively good value if the hardware checks out. What do you want most? Insane battery life, the 1-inch camera, or that LiDAR safety net? Drop your thoughts below, give this video a thumbs up if you learned something, and subscribe so we can deep dive the Mini 5 Pro live after DJI pulls the curtain.